Since the pandemic, many people have turned to gardening as a productive way to spend time, grow nourishing food, and interact with family members. It's been exciting to see so many new gardeners in the community and a lot of people reaching out on my YouTube channel. Hello, welcome. This is Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, share healthy meals, and other favorites. Come along with me as I am going to surprise my mother with a low maintenance desert vegetable garden. Space. I just wanted to show you what it looks like before. I am getting ready to create a garden. So once my mom decided what area my father had the rocks removed, and so this is a designated area. So I just want to give a quick garden tour. Look at this. Beautiful. These are some little baby plants that I will be taking with me. So I love it. I just love all the rocks in this area. Look at that. Right? So you've got your desert landscaping, and then this area right here, I will create a garden. So as you can see, it might be a little tricky planting a vegetable garden in a desert landscape, but I believe I can do it. So I've decided what I wanted to plant, but first of all, I have to ensure that the garden soil is very healthy and it has all the nutrients that it needs. Kellogg's organic compost, Miracle Grow compost, and a little bit of organic compost that I had made. Mixed it all together. It's going to be a companion plant garden. So we'll have vegetables, herbs, and flowers mixed in, and then I will add mulch on top of that just to make it easier. If you love the idea of fresh garden vegetables in your own backyard, yes, your own backyard, but you realize that you really don't have the space, the time, or the energy for all the little things that go with growing a successful garden. Don't worry. Try a pot of herbs or tomatoes or cucumbers on the patio and go visit your local farmer's market. Have fun, be creative. You can do it. I believe in you. Cucumbers, tomato, peppers, different variety of peppers, habanero, gardening, jalapenos, bell peppers, red peppers, and then we have our tomatoes, different variety of tomatoes. Of course, there's marigold right by it, and there's a marigold. It's kind of buried. Marigold, some more tomatoes, and then we have some basil, some mint, and then some more marigolds, cauliflower. There's a row of cauliflower, and then we have some rosemary, some purple kale, more marigolds, some beautiful flowers, some Thai peppers, more cauliflower, goes all the way down, some rosemary, and then this is the area where we get into the herbs. I just kind of put the herbs in this section on the right side, some oregano, we've got some romaine lettuce, and then I will plant some butter crunch lettuce here and some carrots. And we have regular basil and Thai basil, and some more beautiful mums. We've got some lavender in this little pot here. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like from this angle. Super excited Today's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday. I encourage you to share your knowledge with others. Get out and grow something. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Bloom where you're planted. Happy birthday, Mom.